The video opens with a serene city skyline at night. Soft background music plays. Narrator: friction is a force that opposes motion, and while it's essential in our daily lives, it can also play a critical role in fire accidents. The scene transitions to a close-up animation of two surfaces rubbing against each other. Narrator: when two surfaces come into contact and move against each other, friction generates heat. In the right circumstances, this heat can become a catalyst for fire. Cut to images of factory floors and machinery. Narrator: in industrial settings, the role of friction is crucial. Machines and equipment are constantly in motion, and without proper maintenance, the frictional heat can ignite flammable materials, leading to devastating fires. Switch to a clip of a busy highway, focusing on tires and brakes. Narrator: vehicles are another area where friction is a double-edged sword. While essential for functions like braking, overheated brakes or tires due to excessive friction can cause fire accidents. View changes to a domestic kitchen, showing appliances. Narrator: even at home, friction can be a hidden risk. Appliances like blenders or vacuum cleaners can overheat and catch fire if not used properly or if left running for too long. The video switches to a series of quick shots showing preventive measures, regular maintenance, proper handling of machinery, and use of fire extinguishers. Narrator: regular maintenance and proper handling of equipment are key to preventing fires caused by friction. Always be vigilant and ready to act in case of fire. Return to the city skyline, now during sunrise. Narrator: friction is an unavoidable force in our world. Understanding its effects and taking preventive measures can help minimize fire risks and keep our environment safe. The video ends with a screen displaying the title and a reminder to stay safe. The background music fades out smoothly. Narrator: stay informed, stay prepared, and keep safe.